Hi guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you and showing you how I deep clean my kitchen. As we all know, cleanliness is next to godliness. It can be very hard to keep your kitchen clean. It can be very hard to keep your home clean, especially if you have kids, because as you're cleaning, they're also dirtying and following you with dirt. So it can be very hard, but it's also very important to clean it right, because we don't want to stay in a dirty space. We don't want to remain in a dirty space. You don't even feel comfortable. Everything is so chaotic when the house is not organized. Everything doesn't work so well when the house is not organized. If you even want to breathe fresh air, you want your blessings to come in, you want good things to happen, you have to stay in a clean space. If you want to be productive, if you want your day to go well, you have to stay in a clean space. Even with kids, I don't like people who say, oh, I clean my kids dirty, so I just have to leave it dirty. No, keep cleaning, keep trying your best. Even if it's once a week, you don't have to deep clean like every other day. You can just do the surface cleaning, just clean gradually. Then you can set a day outside, like a Saturday, or even a day that the kids are off to school, and just use that day to deep clean the house. And that can even take you for like a week or two, depending, while you're still surface cleaning. You can manage the deep cleaning for a week or two. Then you can deep clean one other day that you're very free or the kids are not around. You can just use that to deep clean. So I'm just cleaning today. I did this on Saturday. I'm uploading the video now. I did it on Saturday. I tried to clean everywhere. I always want to keep my kitchen clean, because kitchen is the powerhouse of the home. And if the kitchen is not clean, then what kind of food would you bring out from such kitchen? So it's so important we keep our kitchen clean, and this is what I'm doing here today. So I'm starting with the island. I usually love to spray my island, because if you don't keep this sprayed, if you don't keep this like clean always, this is where they eat, so germs could stick in. So I love to use my Lysol to clean this, to disinfect it, and to make sure it's well clean. Make sure it's also sparkling. And this tub also tends to fade away if you're not cleaning constantly. If you're not using good sprays on it, like the marble spray on it, it's gonna start looking like faded out. So this is a way to maintain your tub, maintain your island, and make it look really sparkling always. So I'm cleaning right here. So just after cleaning the island, I'm moving over to clean the bar stools. This is where the boys sit to eat. They tend to make a lot of mess here, so I have to deep clean this properly and make sure it's all ready for the new week. So I'm wiping and disinfecting with my Lysol disinfectant. I'm making sure it's all wiped down and properly cleaned, because they sit here to eat and they even pick up food from here. So it has to be really clean at all times to prevent germ and prevent them from falling sick. So after cleaning the bathroom, you see I hung them on the island. This will help me sweep and mop that area when I'm done with the final cleaning. So that's why I kept them there, so I can sweep around that area. After that, I proceed to clean the main kitchen area, which is the stove, the backsplash and all of that. Food gets to store in here a lot of times when you're cooking, and to also maintain this stove is very hard. This cooktop, it could be very hard, but I'm really glad I found some cleaning items that have been helping me to take away the food stains on this, and it's been helping the stove top to stay very sparkling clean. And anytime I just spray this on it, use it to spray my other stainless appliances, it keeps them sparkling clean, and it's been working so well for me. So I clean and clean and clean. I concentrate a lot on the backsplash because all the oil, the food substance, they all splash on this and they stay there for a long time. And if you don't keep cleaning them often, it's gonna fade this place out. It's gonna make it look really bad. So you have to keep cleaning them to make them look shining and clean all the time to maintain the value of your home. You don't want someone coming into your home and this whole backsplash is already a mess, it's already looking faded out. That's why always concentrate on cleaning this place very well. I also go ahead to clean all the cabinets, spray, clean, clean, clean. Today I'm not cleaning inside the cupboard because I also reserve that for some special days. It takes a while, and the cupboard I already cleaned here, so I'm not cleaning this today. So this will be done, usually done another day. So I'm not cleaning the cupboards today as they are clean here already. So I'm still spraying the vents, cleaning the vents. This item I'm using is very good for stainless steel. Use it for your microwave, your vents, your fridge, your oven. It always makes them look really sparkling clean. So after cleaning the backsplash, the cupboard, now it's time to clean the vent. It's very important while you clean the vent, you remove this thing. I don't know what it's called now, but I think that's what does the main work. Because anytime you take it out, you see stains on it. Like it's been the main extractor that has been extracting all the dirty air, contaminated air, and keeping your house smelling good while you're cooking. So I always love to take this off and wash it thoroughly before keeping it back. So here's me washing this extractor thoroughly before placing it back. So after that, I'm proceeding to washing my air fryer. Oh, God bless those who invented this air fryer. This is a very helpful tool in my kitchen. It does a lot of things for me, from quick meals to grilled chicken to food taking long. This is what I use. Now my food doesn't take so long, especially when I'm grilling something like beef to make the popular Nigerian suya. It doesn't take that long anymore because I just toss it into my air fryer and in a few minutes it's ready. Thankful to all those who invented the air fryer. And I love that you just extract the oil. You don't even have to put oil in so many food that you used to use oil to cook. So this prevents you from building so much cholesterol in your body. Thank you, air fryer. So here's me washing my air fryer also. As I always use this, I always love to keep it clean and germ free because a lot of food pass through here before it gets to my stomach. So after cleaning the air fryer, I place it back in its position. Then I proceed to clean another very important equipment in my kitchen, which is the microwave. My kids love to use the microwave every now and then. They leave it dirty most of the time. Even when I talk, go clean the microwave before they try to clean it. And food is always going through here to get warm. So we have to keep this really clean. You have to keep this clean even like every day. You have to clean it like every day. It's quite easy. Just use a Lysol spray into it, and you can clean with a paper towel. Then the day you are free, then you deep clean it properly, just like I'm doing here. Because we use this microwave a lot. If it's not clean, then it's going to cause so much germs in our body. After this, I proceed to clean my oven with this easy off deep degreaser that helps to take away all the grease from the oven. Like I said before, I don't use the oven so often, except if I'm cooking really large meals. I prefer to use my air fryer because it's faster and easier for me. It's easier to clean, easier to maintain, and it cooks the food faster for me. So here's me cleaning my oven. So after cleaning, I spray again to make it shining, looking all nice. This is very good for stainless steel. It makes it look shining, clean and sparkling all the time. And after this, I proceed to clean my fridge. If you've watched this video to this point, please like, subscribe and share. This is the Sado Family Channel. Here we share all about our family lifestyle videos. You will really love it. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm lighting up my candle after cleaning to make everywhere scent so good. This is the best part of this cleaning. Now my house is already fresh and scenting so good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.